I'm going to start by noting the connector has a flat side and a clip side for both its male and female sides. What we want to do this to start, to ensure that you're inserting the pins in the proper cavity, insert the connector not all the way into the mating connector. You'll then be able to see that we have a brown on the outside. What we're going to do is take the connector to connect the pin, has a flat side and a notch side where the pin crimp is. The flat side we want to line up with the flat side of the connector. So we're going to see that brown is going to be on the outside cavity, and we'll line up the flat side of the pin with the flat side of the connector. I'm going to take that, push it in, you'll hear a click, and you could rock it back out, you shouldn't be able to take it back out. We'll then do the same thing for the others. We see on this connector that black is next to the brown. And again, we're going to take the flat side of the pin with the flat side of the connector and insert it in the cavity. Going to push in till you hear a click. You'll also see if you're all the way to the end of the plug. We'll then finish with the yellow pin. Flat side down. And hear a click there. Tug back, we shouldn't be able to come out. Now when we mate these connectors together, we have the proper orientation for each pin to ensure proper function of your lighting.